हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू गेम फेस ऑन। अब आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं और सिम्बा यहाँ क्या कर रहे हैं और मिस्टर त्यागी कहाँ है। वेल, मिस्टर त्यागी तो गए और इसकी आदत आपको और हमें लगा लेनी चाहिए। मिस्टर त्यागी विल बी एट जियो सिनेमा स्टूडियोज फॉर द ऑफिशियल ब्रॉडकास्ट ऑफ पेरिस ओलंपिक्स 2024। लेकिन वो हमारे लिए लेकर आए हैं कुछ एक्सक्लूसिव फुटेज ऑफ बिहाइंड द सीन्स कि कैसी चल रही है उनकी तैयारी फॉर द बिग ओपनिंग सेरेमनी। तो कल अनंत गए थे फॉर रिहर्सल्स, तो आइए सिट बैक, रिलैक्स एंड एंजॉय द ऑफिशियल एक्सक्लूसिव बिहाइंड द सीन्स फुटेज।
All right, I think we're almost set for the dry run. It's time to head to the studio now.
एक्सपर्ट्स की बाइट्स हैं जो हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स हैं सारे एक एक लाइन और मोनेटाइजेशन है।
वो कहते हैं ना, कुछ ना होगा तो तजुर्बा होगा. This is the wardrobe, clothes for tomorrow. The wonderful girls Tanisha and Ananya who are going to be misguiding me and my wardrobe for the rest of the tournament. That's Kunal Sir. You want to say so? The Hindi coverage. This is the blazer.
5:30 we are going again for the
5:30. I left my bag. Not the nerves, the anxiety before a big event like this. That's my floor manager. She's very strict. She wants us to be there on time. You feel it in the air, right? Because everyone's got this uncertainty about what to do, where to go, including me. Studio 5 is the destination for now. And here we go. It's a green studio. There are two Hindi studios. एक यहाँ पे हमारा, which is a chroma set, which will look very different on air. The two best memories I have are both connected to this man's voice and Sunil Taneja's voice. If they win a medal, tissues will fall short in this building because they have a habit of crying on air. Sid, optimism कितना है वैसे? बहुत ज़्यादा, बता दे. बहुत ज़्यादा. This is what I love about Sid. He's always optimistic. Even if a big player is injured, God forbid that happens, he will not give up because he has this strong ingrained belief in the team. There's a guy on my YouTube जिसने मुझे लिखा कि इस बार हम हरमनप्रीत के पीसीस पे बहुत ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट हैं. So I was trying to explain to him that under Fulton, and correct me if I'm wrong, we are more defensively solid. So we have to grab our opportunities as slim or as few and far between they might be. Do you look at it the same way?
Completely agree. The big question was, and the only question was, should Yuvraj have made it to the team just to give us a plan B?
Yeah.
But what people forget is you're not going to get into the team anymore simply if you're a good track player. Those days in hockey are gone, long gone. You have to provide, you have to be capable on and off the ball, especially when the team transitions into defense. And unfortunately, against the biggest teams over the past year, his performances were not good enough. And the risk is just too much. If you're not absolutely up there with the best and keeping in line with how Craig Fulton is, he leaves something untold. And I think that X factor is going to be Sanjay.
Yeah.
He's a very good track flicker. He's been turning heads on the domestic circuit. He's not been revealed to the world.
Yeah.
Watch out for him.
A lot of chat around this 10 minutes.
Yeah.
We're going to hit double digits and all that.
Yeah.
Are you optimistic about that?
Could I give you an answer after 3 days?
You want to
Because
see the...
it's dependent on shooting. If our shooters don't fire, we're not making it.
We're not making it.
We're not making it. If they fire, it's double digits. I have no doubt about that. But let's see.
तो बेसिकली अगर डबल डिजिट्स को निशाने पे रखना है तो शूटर्स को अपना निशाना सही लगाना पड़ेगा.
बिल्कुल सही है.
क्रक्स ऑफ द स्टोरी इज दैट. चलिए सर काम करते हैं. कान में प्रोड्यूसर चिल्ला रहा है मेरे. लाइव में पेरिस 2024 में सबसे पहले स्वागत था सिद्धार्थ पांडे और युवराज सिंह का हमारे इस स्टूडियो में. चलिए पेरिस चलते हैं और पता करते हैं कि वहां पे क्या होने वाला है. So right now, commentators are on air. They are having a rehearsal. We are sort of simulating a live environment where we finish a studio show, commentary picks up, and then we come back to studio to celebrate a medal, hopefully. So now I'm going to go back and prep once again for the opening ceremony, which is tomorrow. These dry runs are more to do with day 3, day 4, day 5, and how the whole day will generally go for us. But I have to do my clothes trials also. Can I try now? All right, and with that, it's time to close the notes for today. As you can see, there's a lot of activity. वहाँ पे बहुत सारा शोर मच रहा है. Obviously, there's so many things to discuss. 17 बल्कि 20-21 अलग-अलग फीड्स होंगी, अलग-अलग भाषाएं होंगी. उन सब पे थोड़ा सा विचार विमर्श पीछे चल रहा है. अभी ओपनिंग सेरेमनी की ब्रीफिंग खत्म हुई है. बिग डे in the Olympics in Jio Cinema. So hopefully you guys will join us at hopefully नहीं definitely 9 बजे हमारे साथ जुड़ना मत भूलिए आप, क्योंकि अलग-अलग भाषाओं में 17 अलग-अलग फीड्स में आपको हम दिखाएंगे पेरिस 2024. It's over to you, Saga.
अरे हमारा तो मन कर रहा है कि हम और बिहाइंड द सीन्स फुटेज देखें, बट अभी तो बस शुरुआत है. पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. ओलंपिक्स बस शुरू ही हुआ है, तो हम आपके लिए बिहाइंड द सीन्स लाते रहेंगे. लेकिन आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, शेयर और लाइक कीजिए हमारा वीडियो. हमारे लिए नहीं बट इसके लिए तो कर दीजिएगा. ही इज बीन सच अ गुड बॉय थ्रू आउट द वीडियो. ओके, बाय गाइस.